How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and select privacy and safety. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then there you'll see the option labeled as restricted profile. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, if you have anyone restricted on your Facebook account, then here you'll see the list of it. And here, if you want to unrestrict that particular person, then you can just swipe to the left side of that particular person, and with that, a unrestrict button will pop up. And there you can just tap on unrestrict, and it will unrestrict that particular person on Messenger. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.